Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to tie like a fire, two melfas, a big veil like a pearl. So the first thing you need in this video is your Laffaya. In this video I'm using Laffaya from my brand, from Tuare by Aisha. So the Laffaya is called Hazaz Laffaya. It doesn't have sequence. We have Hazaz with sequence and Hazaz without sequence. So this is Hazaz without sequence. This is very soft, comfortable. It's not very lightweight, but it's not heavy too. So, and then you'll be needing two office pin, safety pin. Sorry. Then after tying the Laffaya around your waist, then you make sure you secure it at the back and make like a knot. A little knot is okay. You don't need to make a big knot because it will make it very uncomfortable for you. So you pin the Laffaya close to your shoulder. When you pin the Laffaya close to your shoulder, then you get the second pin. Place the remaining material on your head, and then you place the second pin again close to where you pinned it. That's right close to your shoulder, like the way I'm doing in the video. You can pin this to the comfortable place, but this is like the places you need to pin it. Then you just arrange it to the way you want it to be. So if you're wearing a Laffaya this style, and then this way you have like a necklace, it's going to be visible and it will make it so beautiful. And even if you have earrings to it, will make it look so beautiful. So this is just a simple way of tying the Sudanese Laffaya, the Sudanese style of tying Laffaya. So you can just adjust it to the size you want. This is like a beautiful Laffaya. You can order this, send a DM to me. You can order for your beautiful Laffaya. It's all available.